Okay, who is LexisNexis and why do you need to shut them down and get them out of your life? All right, let's talk about the company that's been snooping on you. They're like a jealous ex-wife or ex, except worse, because they're actually making money off of your personal information. Their name, LexisNexis. Now, before you go and ask me, no, they're not a luxury car brand. It's a massive data broker that collects everything on you, your past addresses, driving records, court cases, insurance claims, maybe even what you had for breakfast. Okay, maybe not the breakfast, but they do collect all the rest of it. It's usually a long 40-something page report. And what do they do with the info? They sell it. Not just to banks and insurance companies, but to the big three, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That's right. You ever wondered how these bureaus seem to just magically know everything about you? It's because LexisNexis is feeding them your data like a nosy neighbor gossiping on you. How is LexisNexis messing with your credit and your life? Let's say this. You enter a car dealership and you apply for a loan. Your credit score's solid, you're feeling good, you're even dressed nice for the dealership, just in case that happens to help. Then boom, you're denied. Why? Because LexisNexis is out there whispering in the ears of lenders, credit bureaus, and everyone else. Oh, you think this guy's responsible? Well, actually, they had a fender bender in 2018 and an insurance claim in 2020, and oh, this looks like an address change. We think it's suspicious, but we have no real proof of that. But let's just not trust them anyway. And since the big three credit bureaus buy data from LexisNexis, whatever nonsense they collect gets straight to your credit report. That means banks, lenders, insurance companies get to judge you based on information that you didn't even know existed. And a lot of times, it's wrong. Oh, fun fact, if you've ever had a bankruptcy, LexisNexis is the reason that it's sitting on your credit report. They went and pulled the court record, packaged them up like a shady Amazon delivery, and handed them right over to Equifax, Experian, and guess what? TransUnion. Yeah, they are the middlemen of bad news. So what can you do? Suppress it. Here's where you take the power back. It's called suppressing your LexisNexis file. That means locking it down so they can't sell your information, not to banks, not to insurance companies, not to the big three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And if LexisNexis can't sell it to the credit bureaus can't get it, especially in terms like the bankruptcy and things like that, judgments, tax liens, which means they can't report sketchy old data to lenders or to your report. They can't flag you over some nonsense from 10 years ago that can't even be updated on your file with info that hurts you instead of helping you. It's like putting up a no trespassing sign on your financial life. Okay, so you ask, how do you suppress your LexisNexis file? Super simple. Go to LexisNexis.com website, request a copy of your full credit report. This is the secret little file. Well, it's not so little. It's about 40-something pages as a roll on you. Check for errors because, trust me, they're going to be on there. Submit a suppression request. This locks it down so that they can't share it with anyone, especially Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The result? The next time the credit bureaus go knocking on LexisNexis' door looking for juicy gossip about you, there's nothing there. The Equifax guy looking at an empty report like, where's all the dirt? It's only good stuff on here. Bonus move. Opt out of their marketing nonsense. Want to take it a step further? You can also opt out of their marketing database, which means they can't sell your data to every company looking to spam your inbox. Because seriously, how many fake, pre-approved, pre-qualified loan offers do you need in one lifetime? Okay, let's take back control. LexisNexis loves the fact that most people don't know they exist. That's their whole game. Operating in the shadows, collecting data, selling your data like it's a Pokemon card. But now you know, and knowledge is power. So suppress the file, opt out, shut them down, get them out of your life, get them out of your business, because the big three credit bureaus rely on LexisNexis for their info. And LexisNexis suddenly has no info to sell. Guess who wins? You. Now be the boss of your own data.